Tequila, a spirit deeply rooted in Mexican heritage and tradition, has captivated palates around the world. Made from the heart of the blue agave plant in Mexico, this distilled beverage offers a unique and diverse range of flavors. From the crisp herbal notes of Blanco tequila to the rich caramel complexity of añejo. Tequila, a spirit deeply rooted in Mexican heritage and tradition, has captivated palates around the world. Made from the heart of the blue agave plant in Mexico, this distilled beverage offers a unique and diverse range of flavors. From the crisp herbal notes of Blanco tequila to the rich caramel complexity of añejo. Whether sipped neat, mixed into a refreshing margarita, or enjoyed as a shot with salt and lime, tequila's versatility and distinct character make it a beloved choice for both casual drinkers and connoisseurs alike. Today, join Captian Discovery as we dive into the secrets behind tequila's allure. We'll explore its diverse range of styles, the intricate production process, and the cultural traditions that have shaped this iconic spirit. Whether you're a seasoned tequila aficionado or a curious newcomer, there's always something new to discover in the captivating world of tequila. Subscribe now and join Captian Discovery's journey.
Chip and tequila making, finished unlike any other. The result? Tasting Panel's highest rated tequila ever.
Blanco, puro. Tequila Los Dos Carnales presenta.
Unlike many spirits made from grains, tequila's story begins in the sun-scorched landscapes of Mexico. It is deeply rooted in tradition and innovation. Long before the invention of the margarita, the Aztecs reverted a fermented agave drink called pulque, which they used in their cultural and religious ceremonies. Fast forward to the 1500s, the Spanish conquistadors arrived in Mexico and became interested in pulque. They used their European distillation techniques with native ingredients, creating a stronger spirit. This was the beginning of what we now know as tequila. In the 1600s, a Mexican town named Tequila became synonymous with this fiery spirit. The volcanic soil there was perfect for growing blue agave, leading to a boom in large-scale tequila wine production. By the 1800s, tequila's popularity required regulation. This led to designated production zones and official definitions to differentiate it from other agave drinks. In the 20th century, tequila entered a golden age, with the rise of iconic brands changing its landscape forever. The invention of the margarita during this time also transformed tequila's global perception. Despite its worldwide popularity, tequila remains a fiery spirit from Mexico, rich in history and tradition.
¿Qué pasó con la parcela que tenía de control? ¿Ya se recuperó la planta?
And now is Captian Discovery's quiz about tequila. What's the traditional way to drink tequila in Mexico? The answer will be revealed at the end of the video. Share your answer in the comment below now. Great tequila starts with selecting and harvesting the perfect agave plant, which grows in specific regions of Jalisco and neighboring states in Mexico. Unlike many crops, blue agave takes 7 to 12 years to mature and accumulate the sugars needed for tequila production. Skilled harvesters called jimadores use a specialized tool called a koa to remove the outer leaves and expose the heart of the plant, known as the pina, which needs to be firm, heavy, and golden brown for optimal sugar content. Pina can weigh hundreds of pounds, so workers break them up to make it easier to carry and then haul them into an awaiting truck bed. The journey of agave continues with the crucial step of roasting. The harvested pinas are transported to traditionally built ovens called hornos. These ovens are constructed from brick and volcanic rock, which help retain heat efficiently. The pinas are carefully placed inside the hornos and slow roasted for several days, typically between 48 to 72 hours. The low roasting temperature, usually around 43 degrees Celsius, ensures a slow and even caramelization of the agave starches. During this extended roasting process, the complex carbohydrates within the peanuts break down into simpler sugars, primarily fructose. Once the roasting is complete, the peanut will have deepened, and their texture will have softened considerably. And now is break time. Did you know the best tequila is made in Jalisco, Mexico? So, do you like tequila? Share now in the comment below. The magic of transforming agave into tequila happens during fermentation. The cooked, shredded agave fibers, brimming with sugar, become a feeding ground for yeast. These tiny organisms have a sweet tooth and love to consume the sugars. As they feast, they multiply and convert the sugars into alcohol and carbon dioxide. This process takes 3 to 12 days, and the resulting liquid, called mosto, is no longer just sugary juice. It's a low-alcohol tequila precursor, ready for the next step in its transformation. The fermented mosto gets heated in special stills, turning the alcohol into vapor. This first round creates a rough tequila called ordinario. Ordinario gets another shot at distillation to remove impurities and unwanted flavors. Only the heart of this second distillation is collected as tequila. This is now a high-proof clear tequila called blanco, ready for bottling or aging in barrels. Then tequila specialists will test a tequila sample. After distillation, Blanco tequila is bottled fresh, while Reposado, Añejo, and Extra Añejo tequilas are aged in barrels, often used for bourbon or whiskey. Reposado ages for 2 to 12 months, Añejo for 1 to 3 years, and Extra Añejo for at least 3 years, each gaining unique flavors like vanilla, caramel, and spice. The aged tequila is then filtered, bottled, and labeled with its aging details. And now is the answer for the quiz about what's the traditional way to drink tequila in Mexico. The answer is sipping neat. The traditional serving vessel for tequila in Mexico is a small glass called a cabalito, little horse. This encourages slower sipping and discourages large shots. Many Mexicans enjoy tequila neat, savoring the pure flavor of the spirit. This allows them to appreciate the subtle notes of agave, citrus, and pepper that can be present depending on the type of tequila. Do you want to try? Before ending, why don't you give it a try for some famous tequila cocktail? First, the margarita, the undisputed queen of tequila cocktails. The margarita is a fresh blend of tequila, lime juice, and orange liqueur. It is a classic for a reason and can be enjoyed on the rocks or frozen. Paloma is another option. This simple and refreshing highball cocktail features tequila, grapefruit soda, lime juice, and a pinch of salt. It's perfect for a hot day. For someone who loves a sunrise-colored gradient, Tequila Sunrise is perfect for you. It's a beautiful layered cocktail with tequila, orange juice, grenadine, and lime juice. Joining us in the exploration of the production process of tequila. Enjoy exploring factory production with us? Like, share, and subscribe to Captian Discovery for more fascinating insights into manufacturing. Don't forget to subscribe to Captian Discovery for more interesting journeys.